Welcome to Pluralsight, everybody. This is Basic Functions and Characteristics of EIGRP, and we're going to talk about EIGRP for a little bit here. Mainly a review, because as a CCIE security candidate, you probably already have some foundational knowledge of EIGRP, so we're just going to review it over the next little bit here. So starting out with a little review of EIGRP, the first thing to mention is that EIGRP is an advanced distance vector routing protocol. Now, when I say it's an advanced distance vector routing protocol, some people might call that a hybrid routing protocol. So its roots are in distance vector routing, but there are some advancements to it that sort of mimic or are more along the lines of a link state type routing protocol. Now, it does use multicast. The multicast address is 224.0.0.10 to send updates to, but EIGRP is unique in that it also uses unicast messages in some certain situations. Now, it also supports multiple network layer protocols. And actually, before I get too far with this, the multicast and unicast, from a CCIE security standpoint, think ACLs. So if you know that 224.0.0.10 needs to be allowed for communication between two EIGRP speaking devices, you should also know that you may have to allow their specific IP addresses for that unicast communication also. But it does support multiple network layer protocols, as I mentioned, IP and IPv6, IPX, AppleTalk, and so on. Now, EIGRP uses the dual algorithm, that's the diffusing update algorithm. This algorithm determines a successor route, or what we would consider to be the best path, and a feasible successor, which is, for the most part, the next best path. EIGRP does partial updates. Rather than sending the entire routing table, we can send partial updates, and it's just much more efficient.